All right, what is up, beautiful people? It is Chad Lamont. I am the content producer for Near Foundation, and I am with the all legendary
Carl Crypto Credit.
Carl. Could you tell us a little bit more about this beauty of a machine that you have here, and just like what you're up to? You can
Right, no problems, guys. This is my beer truck. Basically, what we've done is brought it over here to promote our beer brand, which is the Decentralized Brewing Company.
Can we grab one to show to the camera real quick, too?
Yeah, for sure.
They're beautiful. Then,
so last year, I've been involved with NEAR for 18 months now, and last year we sent over a box of 150 cans, which disappeared very quickly in half an hour. The only evidence we saw was people's Twitter posts with pictures of people enjoying the beer. So this year we decided to come with a bit more loaded and locked with our lorry. So we got a few more cans and a lot more beer in kegs.
Could you tell us about like what some of the stuff that's on it here, like the QR code and the other things, and kind of what they do?
Yeah, for sure. So what you see on the label is what we call a new evolution in labeling. Rather than giving all the information printed on the label, we have a QR code which allows you to access an augmented reality area, which is basically a pop-up panel which is graphics and moving, and it also has an information button so we can allow people to see all the information that you'd expect to be on the label, but it's all hidden behind the QR code.
Can you show the QR code to the camera real quick? It's badass.
And just one thing, we've also evolved it from last year because this year we're actually, with the project, we're stress testing a payment system which has been developed by CoinPipe. And we basically have on the can as well, we have a scan and pay instant payment system. So you basically take your QR code, take your QR code scanner on your camera, scan the QR code, and it automatically takes the euro, the fiat price, converts it into NEAR, and allows you to pay it from your NEAR wallet.
So, how did you start?
So my interest in crypto started back in 2017, and from there I eventually came through to wanting to actually create something that joined my passion for beer with my passion for crypto. I discovered via large numbers of emails coming into my email box that people like collecting beer labels.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, hold on a minute, maybe we can create some digital beer labels and the guys are going to buy those. I then moved on to NEAR and produced my first NFT on Paras, when Paras had just been launched, which was called the Paras Original Wheat Beer. We then went on and created, which I then moved on and sold 3 of those within 30 minutes. And then moved on to produce, I think, 6 or 8 different beer labels, they're basically virtual beer labels. The beer was never made, but the label was.
Okay.
So now we're basically moving to where we are now. We've basically got another set of beer labels on Paras for what we call the second edition.
Okay.
And we're now moving into the real world, which started last year, as I say, with the cans, and we're now here in real life.
What would you tell people that don't really know much about NEAR and that maybe want to like build on NEAR or maybe do something similar to you? Do you have any like suggestions or like some words for the people out there?
Absolutely. The main thing is we need to be driving active wallets.
Yeah.
We need to be giving real world use cases which has all the technology under the bonnet.
Yeah.
We need to have people using NEAR for what it really should be, and that's a platform for exchange.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell the people out here?
Well, I'm hoping that in the future that you'll see the beer truck at a larger number of, an ever increasing number of events. We like to think that having beer as an onboarding tool makes a great way to introduce you to which is actually an incredible and friendly community. And I think that NEAR and beer go together rather well. But
Love it.
Maybe I'm biased.
Well, hey, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate you.